हायर अप्लाइड मैथमेटिक्स फॉर पॉलिटेक्निक एंड इंटरमीडिएट, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन इज आवर टॉपिक. नाउ माई नेम इज मुकेश सिरोही, BE मैकेनिकल, M.Tech थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग, व्हाट्सएप 9219536068. जैसा मैंने आपको बताया है कि ये आपको बैक पेपर के लिए या वैसे पेपर के लिए बहुत अच्छा वो रहेगा. इसका जो अध्ययन जो है, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन क्या होता है ये हमें पहले समझने की बात है. तो इसमें क्या है कि देयर इज सीरीज एंड और उसकी सीक्वेंस, और हिंदी में इसको श्रेणी भी बोलते हैं. तो लेट योर मदर फादर डिपॉजिट इन बैंक ₹10,000 एंड सिंपल इंटरेस्ट अर्न बी 1,000 फॉर 25 ईयर्स. तो यहाँ पर हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि हमारे माता पिता ने जन्म के समय पे 10,000 रुपये जमा किए एंड उन्होंने जो है 25 साल तक सिंपल इंटरेस्ट उनको 1,000 रुपये मिले. तो क्या वो हमारा किस तरीके से इंटरेस्ट और वो अमाउंट बैठेगा, इसको हम यहाँ पर एप्लीकेशन से देखेंगे. तो यहाँ पे ये है कि यू फाइंड हियर दैट इन दिस एवरी ईयर 1,000 इज एडेड टू योर प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट. से इनिशियल टर्म इज T1 स्टार्टिंग एट 10,000 इनिशियली. तो जो स्टार्टिंग में था वो हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म कहलाता है सीरीज के हिसाब से. तो सेकेंड ईयर में हमारे पास इनिशियल अमाउंट 10,000 प्लस इंटरेस्ट जो है वो हो गया 1,000. तो A प्लस D इज 10,000 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 11,000. इस तरीके से हम इसको समझेंगे. यहाँ पर T3 इज 11,000 प्लस 1,000 इज इक्वल टू 12,000. तो एवरी ईयर वी आर एडिंग 1,000. नाउ नेक्स्ट ईयर इज T4. T4 means 12,000 plus 1,000 is equal to 13,000. In this way, our money is getting increased and added with 1,000 rupees every year. So now T25. In 25 years, what we are getting the formula A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 10,000 plus 25 minus 1 into 1,000. is equal to 10,000 plus 24,000 means 34,000 final amount in 25 years. Here one thing is, as in arithmetic progression is D is equal to common difference. It is the difference is two terms, T2 minus T1 is equal to 11,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 1,000. T4 minus T3 is equal to 13,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 1,000. Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equal to 1,000. In this way we are getting a series. This series is called arithmetic progression. In case of AP, first term is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Now T1 is equal to A. Or we can say, to understand the series is equal to A plus 1 minus 1 into D. So T2 is equal to A plus D. It means A plus 2 minus 1 D. यानी कि ये एक नंबर कम रहता है. इसी तरह T3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. अब यहाँ पर हम लोग जो है इस तरीके से बहुत सारे टर्म्स हमारे बनते रहेंगे और अल्टीमेटली हमारे पास एक टर्म आएगा Tn. तो Tn हो जाएगा A प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू D. दिस इज द वे वी आर गेटिंग द फॉर्मूला फॉर n टर्म. नाउ एक क्वेश्चन अटेंड करते हैं. द 6th and 40th टर्म ऑफ एन AP आर 50 and 152. तो सीरीज हमको फाइंड आउट करना है और हमको टर्म्स दिए हैं. तो लेट फर्स्ट टर्म इज इक्वल टू A एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू D. तो T6 इज इक्वल टू A प्लस 6 माइनस 1 इंटू D बराबर A plus 5D. Now T40 is equal to A plus 40 minus 1, D is equal to A plus 39D. These are given equal to 50 and equal to 152. Now we will subtract them from 2 to 1. Then what we will get? 2 minus 1. So 39D minus 5D is equal to 152 minus 50 is equal to 102. And it is here 34D. So 34D is equal to 102. Means D is equal to 3. In this way, we are getting D is equal to 3. So A plus 5D is equal to 50. Means A is equal to 50 minus 5 into 3 is equal to 35. So our term would be, the series would be, what would be the series? The series would be A plus D, A plus 2D, and this would be equal to 35, 35, next is 38, next is 41, and so on. This is the solution of our question. Now, which term of an AP is 15, 20, 25 is 115? So let nth term be is equal to 115. So when we are talking about AP, then there is first term is equal to A and CD is equal to D. Yani common difference is equal to D. It means A is equal to 15 and D is equal to 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. Therefore, let the term be Tn. So Tn means A plus n minus 1D is equal to 115, or 15 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 115. इसलिए n minus 1 is equal to 115 minus 15, and all this is divided by 15. Oh, sorry, 5. This is 5. Now this is 20. So इसलिए n is equal to 21. This is the 21 term, that value has 115. This is our answer, and this is the technique to solve the question. Now if last term is L, first term is A, and CD is D, then series would be from the last term. The last term would be L is equal to A minus n minus, A plus n minus 1 into D. But when we starting the series from A plus D, A plus 2D, and in this way L minus 2D, L minus D, and L. So now we are having the two sides, left hand side and right hand side of the series. So in this left hand side, the series starts from A, and the Tn is A plus n minus 1 into D. But from when we are moving from right hand side से जब हम मूव करेंगे, तो from last we are taking first term, second term और third term. So from first term from last is L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, and second term is L minus D, and third term is L minus 2D. Similarly, last term is L minus n minus 1 into D. This is the technique to solve this question. if n times the nth term of an AP is equal to m times the mth term of, then prove that it is m plus nth term is 0. ये इस क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि कोई सीरीज है और उस सीरीज का n टाइम्स दी nth टर्म है ऑफ एन m टाइम्स दी mth टर्म, द प्रूव दैट इट्स m plus nth term is 0. So now first term is a, common difference is d, tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now another term is tm is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. Question says tn n into n is equal to m into tm. Now we know that a plus n minus 1 d into n is equal to m into a plus m minus 1 into d. Now when we will solve this, what we will getting here, na minus ma is equal to m into m minus 1, m into m minus 1 minus n into n minus 1 to d. Now when we will solve it, we will get a is equal to this much, minus m plus n minus 1 into d. You understand? Now tm plus 1 is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. Then what is the value of a? The value of a is this is. So now we will get the answer of this question. Tm plus n is equal to minus m plus n minus 1 into d plus m plus n minus 1 into d. It is negative and it is positive, then the answer is 0. Hence proved. This is the solution of the question. Now sum of n terms of an AP. तो कोई सीरीज है और उसके टर्म्स हैं a plus d, a plus 2d, l minus d and plus l. लास्ट टर्म इज l. तो नाउ इसको हमको ऐड करना है. वी वांट दिस सम कि व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ दिस ऑल टर्म्स. तो वन टेक्निक इज टू सॉल्व इट कि s इज इक्वल टू l प्लस a माइनस d प्लस l माइनस 2d. इन दिस वे वी राइट इट फ्रॉम द रिवर्स. तो राइट साइड से स्टार्ट करके हमने इसको उल्टा लिख दिया. अब जब इसको उल्टा लिख दिया तो व्हाट विल हैपन हियर, वी विल गेट हियर, अगर वी वांट टू ऐड देम देन व्हाट विल हैपन, s प्लस s इज 2s टू a प्लस l, इधर प्लस d माइनस d प्लस a प्लस l. सिमिलरली a प्लस 2d एंड l माइनस 2d प्लस a प्लस l and so on plus a plus l. Now all these becomes, how many terms was there? There were n terms, 1 2 3 dot dot n. So there are n into a plus l. So now s is equal to n upon 2 into a plus l. And what this l is? This l is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula. Therefore s is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the production of the formula, or this formula is used to calculate the sum of the series. Okay. Now question is find the sum of first 20 terms of AP. The first term is a बराबर 12, CD, D is equal to 15 minus 12 is equal to 18 minus 15 is equal to 3. So 3 is the difference. Now we want to calculate the sum. S is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is equal to 20. So the answer is 20 upon 2 and 2 into 12 plus 20 minus 1 into 3 is equal to 10 into 24 plus 19 3 ja 57 is equal to 810. This is the answer. The question is sum of n terms of AP 32, 28, 24 dash dash is 120. तो n we have to find how many terms कि कितने n को हमको फाइंड आउट करना है. इसके लिए हमारे पास इन्होंने s दिया है. गिवन इज s इज इक्वल टू 120. हियर फ्रॉम द सीरीज वी फाइंड a इज इक्वल टू 32 and d is equal to 28 minus 32 is equal to minus 4. We keep this in mind. Is equal to T2 minus T1. This is the formula for common difference. So solution S is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 120 or n into 2a 2 into 32 plus n minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to 120 into 2. Now on solving this we get 34n minus 2n square is equal to 120 और n square minus के 17n प्लस 60 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसको सॉल्व करने पे वी विल गेट n माइनस 5 इंटू n माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो आंसर इज n इज इक्वल टू 5 और 12. हाउ दिस इज पॉसिबल? द फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स हैव 120 and next 12 is also because our d is minus, so some terms are positive and some are negative, so effect is 0. So therefore there are two answer, n is equal to 5 and n is equal to 12. Okay, is if pth term and q term of an AP are 1 upon q and 1 upon p, then show that the sum of pq terms is equal to half pq plus 1. So we know that a plus p minus 1 upon d is equal to 1 upon q and a plus q minus 1 upon a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 1 upon p. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर क्या होगा? व्हाट विल गेट a plus p minus 1 into d minus a minus q minus 1 into d is equal to this much. So from this we are getting d is equal to 1 upon pq. d is equal to 1 upon pq. इसलिए a इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन क्यू माइनस पी माइनस 1 अपॉन पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन पी क्यू. फ्रॉम दिस सम पी क्यू इज इक्वल टू n बाई 2 इंटू 2a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d. So now here what we have to write? We will write the term pq. pq upon 2 is equal to 2 into 1 upon pq plus pq minus 1 into 1 upon pq, and this will get pq plus 1 into 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now arithmetic mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? It is the average Average, suppose there are three terms. When three terms are in AP, मिडिल टर्म को हम लोग अर्थमेटिक मीन बोलते हैं. तो A is arithmetic mean, AB. Now D is equal to A minus A is equal to B minus A. इसलिए 2A is equal to A plus B and A is equal to A plus B upon 2. तो half of the sum. This is called arithmetic mean. Find n AM between A and B. यानी कि हमको अगर ये कहें कि दो नंबर A एंड B के बीच में n नंबर ऑफ अर्थमेटिक मीन डालने हैं, तो हम उसको क्या करेंगे. तो अगर सपोज A1, A2, A3 डॉट डॉट AN आर दी n अर्थमेटिक मीन, दैट विल बी बिटवीन A एंड B. सो नाउ टोटल टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू कितने हो गए. n is the n and A plus B 2. So this is the n plus 2 terms are there. For this B is equal to A plus n plus 2 minus 1 into D. So this is the A plus n plus 1D. This formula is used here. So D is equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. You will find D is equal to B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the formula. So now A1 is equal to A plus D is equal to A plus B minus A upon n plus 1. And next is AN is equal to A plus n plus 1 minus 1 upon n plus 1 into D. So AN is equal to A plus n into B minus A upon n plus 1. This is the formula for finding the arithmetic mean when we want to insert an arithmetic mean between two numbers. Okay, here we are wanted to find some terms. Let there in terms in AP. If we have to consider three terms in AP, then we will take them as A minus D, A and A plus D. And let four terms if we have to consider, then these four terms are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. This is the rule for finding it. And suppose we want to find 5, then it might be A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 2D. These would be the 5 terms when we want to add in it. Now next thing is property of AP. तो if कोई AP हमारे पास है तो उसके अंदर क्या होगा. If in each terms of an AP C is added or subtracted, then series would be in AP. No effect. सीरीज AP में ही रहेगा. इफ मल्टीप्लाइड और डिवाइडेड बाई C एंड C इज द कंडीशन, C इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, तभी हमारा कोई वो होगा. नॉन जीरो नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई, डिवाइड और सब्ट्रैक्ट और ऐड कर रहे हैं, तभी उसके लिए हमारा ये फॉलो रूल होगा. इफ मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड बाई C, देन AP इज इक्वल टू, the series would be in AP. This is the condition. Now suppose 6, 12, 18 is in the series and C is equal to 2. Add in each term 6 plus 2, 8, 12 plus 2, 14, 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. So there would be no difference in the series. It would be in series. Same series in AP. Now divide 6 by 2 is equal to 12 upon 2, 18 upon 2. So now this series would be 3, 6, 9. This is also in this series. Now the next question is there. The sum and product of three numbers in AP are 27 and 504. तो जब थ्री नंबर्स का बात होता है तो then what we are doing, जब थ्री नंबर्स की बात होगी तो we will say A minus D, A and A plus D are the terms. So now the sum A minus D is so much 27. And next thing is, or 3A is equal to 27, A is equal to 9. Now multiplication is A into A minus D into A plus D is equal to 504. So now we have what we will get here. We will get A is equal to 9 into A square minus d square is equal to 504. From this we will do the calculation. Now 9 square means 81 minus d square is equal to 504 upon 9 is equal to 25. इसलिए d square is equal to, sorry, this is not 25, this is d square is equal to 25. इसलिए d is equal to 5 plus minus 5. This is the answer. If ABC are in AP, prove 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA, 1 upon AB are in AP. So we know in these questions we have two types. Either start from ABC and prove this, or start from 1 upon BC CA and prove that these are ABC. So multiply 1 upon BC, 1 upon CA, 1 upon AB by ABC, as there is no effect on series by multiplication by a number. So this is ABC. What is happening here? What we will do? So we will get ABC upon BC, ABC upon CA, and ABC upon AB. It means this is the ABC. So this we have to prove this ABC is in AP by the property of AP series. Now question is A square, B square, C square are in AP, then 1 upon B plus C, 1 upon C plus A, and 1 upon A plus B are in AP. To do this question, if there is a series in AP, then there is common difference D. So D के लिए what we are doing, T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. We will use this property. So by this we will get 1 upon C plus A minus 1 upon B plus C is equal to 1 upon A plus B minus C plus A. Now solving on this, get B plus C minus C plus A upon A plus C into B plus C is equal to C plus A minus A plus B divided by A plus B into C plus A. Here what we are saying? We are saying that A plus C is in both the side. This A plus C will cancel from A plus C. Now what is happening here? This B plus C minus C plus A, C is cancelled by C and A is cancelled by A. So what happens? B minus A upon B plus C is equal to C minus B upon A plus B. This is the our. Now when we will multiply them, what their multiplication is going? A, this is B minus A. तो इसको हम लोग अगर what we will getting, B square minus A square is equal to C square minus B square. This is the condition of AP. इसलिए 2B square is equal to A square plus C square. This is the, therefore the terms A square, B square and C square are in AP. This is the question, answer of the question. One important question is, if sum of n, 2n and 3n terms of an AP be S1, S2 and S3, prove S3 is equal to 3 times of S2 minus S1. So S1 means sum of n terms. S1 means sum of n terms. S2 means sum of 2n terms, and S3 means sum of 3n terms. So by let the फर्स्ट टर्म भी ए एंड डिफरेंस भी डी। तो S1 इज इक्वल टू n अपॉन 2 इंटू 2a प्लस n माइनस 1d। दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दिस सम। तो बाय दिस वी गेट S2 is equal to 2n upon 2, and this is this, and S3 is so much. From these three answers we will do right hand side is equal to 3 times S2 minus S1. We have to prove this. So we are taking 3 times S2, this is the S2 and this is S1, और ये माइनस में है। तो इससे क्या हुआ, हमने जब इसको वैल्यू इसमें रख दिया तो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 3n/2 इंटू 4a प्लस 4n माइनस 2 इंटू इतना इतना। नाउ बाई सॉल्विंग दिस फर्दर ऑन द सॉल्यूशन व्हाट वी विल गेट हियर इज इक्वल टू 3n अपॉन 2 इंटू 4a माइनस 2a इज इक्वल टू 2a, 4n माइनस n तो प्लस के 3n, माइनस 2 में से हमने माइनस 1 कर दिया तो ये 3n माइनस 1 हो गया। नाउ दिस इज द d एंड व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज द सम ऑफ 3n terms, therefore is equal to what, S3 is equal to left hand side. Which term of a p 3 and half, 1 and half and minus half is minus 162 and half. So a is equal to 3 and half, d is equal to half minus 3 and half is equal to minus 2. This is the minus 2. You have to count, keep in mind Tn is equal to minus 68, and putting both these values here we will get 3 and half plus n minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 168 and half. So this is getting to change minus 2n is equal to minus 174, इसलिए n is equal to 87. This is the answer. Okay my dear, please share and subscribe, and I hope you will find it very useful for you.